What's the meaning of custody? Custody. Custody.
Custody. Custody. The term custody generally refers to the legal right and responsibility of caring for a person or property. Specifically, it is the state of being held in the protective care or guardianship of someone or something, such as a parent or a financial institution. The outcome of custody can vary depending on the context. In family law, it may result in physical or legal custody of a minor child, while in criminal law it may refer to being held in police custody or prison.